So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on time and language. Now you're going to click on language and region. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on add a language. And now we're going to search for Japanese. And now this will come up. You're going to click on this and then click on next. It's now going to start searching for language features. We're going to be having some optional language features right here. In my case, I'm just going to untick everything here. But if you want anything in this list, then you just want to tick it. You can read through it and then click on this icon right here and it will tell you what it does. But for me personally, I'm just going to untick all of this. And you could also set Japanese as your main display language on Windows. So it's up to you if you want to do that. And now you're going to click on install. And it's now going to start installing. And then once that's been installed, to switch your keyboard language, in the taskbar, you're going to click right here. It's going to be saying your language that's on currently. And you can now switch it from here. That's how you do it.